Through the Volatility Index, we track worldwide demand and suppliers' capacity to meet that demand in a monthly survey of 27,000 businesses. In October, factory demand weakens across the major economies with no imminent turnaround in sight, underscoring the challenging outlook for manufacturers going forward. Here in North America, factories were cut back their purchases sharply, signaling a heightened risk of manufacturing weakness spilling over into broader economy in 2025. In contrast, China factory production rebound and purchases actively rose after 3 months of contraction. Coupled with sustained strong expansion of specific manufacturing industries in India, we're seeing greater activity across Asia and growing divide with Western producers. In Europe, where manufacturing has been in the doldrums for some time, the industrial recession shows no sign of abating, with French, Austrian, and especially German producers at the heart of this downturn. In short, we're now in a buyer's market. President-elect Trump inherits U.S. manufacturing sector with growing spare capacity, and we expect his administration to come under immediate pressure to bolster the sector, including respond to his promise of tariffs. Similarly, we expect the EU and especially the German government, despite their challenges, to respond to persistent manufacturing recession across the continent. Visit GEP.com/volatility to download our full report. I'm Todd Bremer with GEP.